new to my channel, hello, how are you, what's up, what's good? My name is Shara and welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a hair tool with you guys. I'm just going to be doing a quick little mini hair look for you guys. I have been obsessing over the NuMe Octowand, and if you aren't sure what that is, it is this curling wand that has 8 interchangeable wand specific barrels. They're all barrels that I feel like you could totally use with whatever look you're trying to achieve. I love that it is so compact. Like literally, I'm going to show you guys the casing to this. Everything comes into this little bag right here. It's super nicely packaged, and if you have been with my channel for a while, literally I have been riding with NuMe. I have quite a few of their hairstyling tools. It's been years. I want to say since 2013 I started using NuMe curling wands, and I haven't looked back since. And so I was super excited when they did send me this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and just unzip it and show you guys what this does contain. So you do have all of the 8 barrels in it, and then you have the curling wand right there. I love that it is interchangeable, just because it just makes it super convenient. You're not having to buy like a bunch of different kinds of curling wands. And I love that even though it is interchangeable, it's very simple to use. I love that they do have the different shapes. You do have your thick barrel. It's nice for like those like wavy kind of looks. And then you have everything in between. These are for like those like pencil, super bouncy, curly looks, which I can't wait. I have not tried this one yet. I'm definitely going to get into that one. And then you also have these different shaped ones where it's like kind of thicker at the base of the barrel and it kind of widens out. And this one is very interesting, which I do kind of want to see what kind of curl this produces, but it is, you have this shape right here, okay? So it is very, very interesting, very different. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and try this one out. So I'm gonna go in and show you guys how easy it is to just connect it. Find the groove that it's supposed to go in, push in, you turn it, and it automatically will lock. You will see right there, it is locked in, so the barrel isn't going anywhere. We'll go ahead and plug this baby in. Then you'll see that it flashes blue, so it does indicate that it is plugged in, but it does say it is off, so it's not on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power button on, and then it starts at 370 degrees. Amazing thing about these NuMe wands that I have noticed is they heat up so fast, which I do like how fast they heat up. Like you literally don't have to wait long at all. And then you can push it all the way up to 450 degrees. It gets hot. You can probably see as we're talking about it right now. I'm looking at it and the temperature is just flying. It's going 250, 253, 255, 258, 260, and it's just going up to 450. I did put it at that highest setting. NuMe does include these heat protectant gloves, which I do like, especially if you're not like someone that's very familiar with like curling wands like these, where it doesn't have like the clamp and then you just like curl your hair while it's like clamped into the curling wand. But these are great because, like I said, the wand gets hot. Just be very aware of that, and it's seriously no joke. But I mean, I've been using these ones for quite some time now, so I think I've finally graduated. But I do have quite a few of these that are underneath my sink that have definitely had some good use into it. Watch me, I'm gonna burn myself now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first piece, and I have been really into just kind of like curling my hair and sectioning it like downwards and grabbing sections that way and curling it that way. The only difference is I have not tried this curling one yet, so I'm very interested in seeing how the curl is gonna hold. I did put hairspray and heat protectant in my hair already, so that's already settled in. So let's see what happens when we throw our hair into this. Ooh, yeah, it gets hot. So you don't want to hold your head on there obviously for too long. Just want to hold it there maybe for like 10-15 seconds at most. We're gonna let go, and then you can see it creates this like really crimped look, which I kind of like that. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there to just kind of settle in. We're gonna grab the next chunk, and like I said, I'm going at this like vertical part, and then we're gonna go ahead and go again. So I'm gonna put my hair like at the base of the curling one, and then we're gonna go ahead and just curl around these balls. And I do leave the ends out just because I kind of like the look of the ends being kind of like just whatever, not curled. It's getting hot. Okay, so let go. I definitely feel like my hair has grown a lot out of nowhere recently. I just feel like it's grown so much. It's kind of crazy how much it's grown. My hair is naturally straight, if you don't know, and literally this is like it air dried out of the shower. No product except what I just put into it, but it just air dries straight as a board. So that is the struggle that I deal with. So any kind of like volume that I do add into my hair, I'm happy with. And I am grabbing like thin pieces, thicker pieces. Like towards the back I do grab a little bit more of like a thicker strand. I'm not very like particular in how I like my hair curled. I just go with it as long as I have some type of volume. That's literally all I care about, honestly. The reason, as you can tell, why I like doing it that way and parting it in these vertically type strands is because it's super easy to do. I literally did this half side of my head in like what, less than 10 minutes, and I owe it all to like how hot definitely the NuMe does get and just the quickness of how I part my hair. So definitely give it a try. Usually before I used to kind of like part my hair like horizontally. I used to start from the bottom and then work my way up, but I did find that that was very time consuming, and you know, being a mom, I don't have all the time in the world to get ready. So anything that kind of lessens the time that it takes for me to go in and get a good hairstyle in, I'm all about it. And then on this side I kind of just point the wand downwards, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl. One more strand left, and that is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the curling wand. I do like the way that the curls turned out. You can tell they're not very even, they're just kind of messy. It kind of has that beachy type look, which I'm all about that look. I love that it just gave my hair so much volume versus what it really was like prior to this. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the Sexy Hair Soy Renewal Beach Spray. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just gonna mainly focus that in the root. Just get in there in the rooted area. All right, and then just kind of run my fingers through it just to give it more volume. And then sometimes I'll part my hair down the middle, but today I'm feeling it kind of like sideways. So we're just gonna go sideways with the look. It definitely boosts up the roots a little bit, so that's always a plus. I'm gonna hit it up with a little bit more hairspray, and I'm just gonna like kind of push in to the curl just to give it more volume. And then if that wasn't enough, you know, because more is more, I'm going to take this wide tooth comb and I'm just going to lightly just kind of give it a little bit more of that oomph. And I'm going to go underneath this top layer, just go underneath and kind of just like push up just a little bit. And we're going to mainly focus that underneath the hair just so it kind of like pulls out and just gives it a little bit more of that voluminous look. And as you can probably tell, I'm all about that like messy kind of look. If that's what you're going for, this little trick definitely does it. So I could just go underneath, just pull up a tad, and then just kind of brush out the top with your fingers. That's so cute. It took literally what, maybe less than, if I wasn't talking, it takes like less than 10 minutes. It's not something that takes too long at all to do. So it's a super easy, very fun, stylish curl and look. So I'm definitely here for the whole beachy type look. And then with the sea salt spray, it definitely gives it that much texture. So you're definitely feeling all the texture that's in your hair, which I love. And I definitely want to do one of my go-to curling looks with this NuMe Octowand, so definitely keep a lookout for that. I'm actually in the process of moving to Japan. Seriously, a lot has been going on. So if you guys don't keep up with my vlogging channel, I actually upload there a few times a week. There's a lot of exciting things going on right now, and yeah, if you guys are interested in following along with that, I do keep up with my vlogging channel, and I actually have been keeping up with a good routine with that. I did Vlogmas all of December, which I absolutely had so much fun doing, and then after Vlogmas was over with, I have been uploading, not daily, but I upload at least like 3 to 4 videos a week, so I'm kind of on there a lot more frequently. So go to our vlogging channel, subscribe, and check it out. It's a lot of fun, and I definitely enjoy doing vlogs as well. I have been actually enjoying editing, so this has been a good start to the new year as far as like making videos and creating content and just the whole editing process, because if you guys know, I'm not a big fan of editing, but I think I've found my niche in it finally, and I'm enjoying it. I have my own style, and it's just been so fun for me. But yeah, I don't want to keep rambling. I just wanted to let you guys know what was good, what was going on with that, because you know, I have been kind of like super low-key on this channel just because I've mainly been focusing on the whole move and been focusing more time into our vlogging channels. I'll definitely have a link to that right here, so definitely go check it out, and don't forget to subscribe just so you guys can keep up and see what's going on in our daily lives. I'll also list my other social media that I use, my Twitter, my Facebook page, my Instagram. I'm not really into Twitter as much, but my Instagram, I'm usually on that. I have a personal one and my beauty one, and I'm usually pretty active on my personal one as well. So definitely go check those links out. I have them down below as well. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.